All right, guys. So, a little backstory on how my event went. You know what I'm saying? All right. I went to the gas station, came out, hopped on my bike, and then I went to drive, and I noticed my steering was all messed up. Came and looked at the side, seen mine was hit. Had it towed home. Called my insurance company. My insurance company, you know what I'm saying? Like, let them know. Actually, I got Progressive, so I sent them the little pictures and stuff on my little app. I got the app, so I sent them the pictures. Boop, boop, boop. I sent them the pictures. They got the pictures. Next day, called me. I'm like, what? Lovely. Called me like, we heard you had an accident. Like, you ain't heard. I told you. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, all right. But they told me originally that 2 weeks for the adjuster to be out. They said in my area, there's no adjuster in my area, so it's going to be about 2 weeks for my adjuster to get out. So I'm like, all right, which sucks because everyone's like, it's gonna be like 2 months, it's gonna be like 2 months. And I'm like, nah, it's not gonna be that long. Then they told me 2 weeks, 2 weeks for the adjuster to come out. And I'm like, damn, it's gonna be 2 months. But then the day after that, the adjuster called me like, yo, I'm actually in your area and I can come by there on Wednesday, which was Monday when the insurance called me. He was like, I can come by here on Wednesday. Boom, cool, let's do that. So Wednesday, dude show up. He was like from Rhode Island. Yeah, he don't even know nowhere about around here. He was like lost and stuff. But he ended up coming. He came and looked at it. He looked at everything and then took pictures and stuff like that. And then he went and sat in his truck about 45 minutes trying to look up prices for parts. And obviously, he found nothing. He didn't find no parts for this online. So he basically used like spider parts that he found and priced them. You kind of use those prices. And then he charged me, then he said he was going to pay for like $69 an hour for the labor. So I'm like, all right, that's what you say. So that was about $700 they were going to give me to get it fixed. So I sent it in. Actually, not sent it in. I had it towed in. Yes, I followed it there. I had to follow my baby there, like make sure she got there safe. So they took their workout, looked at it like 3 more days later. They hit me up like, well, we called your insurance company, let them know that's going to be another $500. And I'm like, word. So that bumped up from 7 to 12. I'm like, all right. So they're like, all right. Insurance company called me like, all right, we're going to send you another $500. I'm like, okay, send me the money because I need to get my bike fixed. So after that happened, Flamingos hit me like, yo, you need to come pay for these parts so we could order them so you could get your bike fixed. I'm like, all right. Boom. Took my money, went and got it. Paid for my parts. They said, they told me like 2 weeks. The parts shouldn't be out too far. It's about 2 weeks. So this ended up like week 3. So I'm waiting. Week 4 come by. Week 5 come by. Week 6 come by, and I call him. I say, yo, what's good? What's good with my bike? He was like, oh, I was just about to call you. Your bike's on the stand. Your bike's on the stand. We fixing it. And guess what happened? And I'm like, what happened? We got it all fixed. We went for a ride. We can't get the alignment right. And I'm like, what? Alignment not working. And I'm like, what? Damn. So guess what? We talked to your insurance company. They give you another $500. I'm like, nigga, why you just didn't say that from the beginning? Why you just didn't say that from the beginning? You know what I'm saying? You could just say that from the beginning. You didn't even have to say nothing else. You know what I'm saying? Well, it's going to be like another week. And I'm like, all right, it's going to be another week. So I'm like, all right, another week. Ah, man, week 6. So week 7 come. I'm like, crickets. That's all I hear is crickets because they ain't call me. They ain't call me. And then I'm like, yo, end of week 7, I call them like, yo, what's good? They're like, oh, yeah, it's almost done. We'll give you a call soon. Then the next day they call me, come get your baby. And I was like, word. So you know what I did? I got dressed and I went and got my baby. And when I got there, you know what I'm saying? I had like a little money to put down to finish the payment. And I finished that. And I'm like, they're like, oh, you can probably take it now. I'm like, well, I got a tow truck coming to get it. So he was like, all right, he kept the key. And then called my tow truck out. Like, yo, it's ready to go. He was like, well, you're a little late. You're gonna have to get it tomorrow. And I'm like, dang, son, you gonna do me like that? So, but it's here. It's here. It's here. All right.